Hi everyone, it's Mike here, and today we'll be talking about creating a Twitter account, filling out your profile, and why it's important for your business or brand, and what you can do with Twitter to build a big following. Most people have heard of Twitter, but if you haven't, it's a massive social media network where you can post short public messages, videos, and images. It's a great tool to get your message out there and connect with like-minded people or potential customers. It's pretty simple to get your account started. Go to twitter.com in your web browser, and this page will appear with simple options to choose from, either sign up or log in. When you click sign up, it will ask for your name and phone number. If you don't want to use your phone number, or if you have a landline, you can use your email address instead. It will then ask you to confirm your email or phone number. If you used a phone number, it will text you a code to enter. If you chose email, it will email you a code. Once your email or phone number is confirmed, you will choose a password. Make sure it follows the requirements listed. On the next page, it will ask you to pick a profile picture. If you don't want to use a personal picture, you can search on Google or on the web, or use your company logo or brand's logo. Make sure you save the image to your local PC to allow it to be uploaded. Then just click on the blank avatar image and choose the image you'd like to use from your computer. Now if you want to, you can upload business or personal contacts with your email to follow your contacts directly. Then you will be asked if you'd like to follow specific pages of interest to you to get your feeds on your page. If you have any particular interests or popular people you'd like to follow, select them now, or skip and do it later. They also set up groups of people to follow based on interests, which can be simple to get a grab bag of people to follow from the start. It will then ask you if you want to turn on notifications, which will create pop-ups on your desktop whenever someone tweets or messages you. This can be full of spam at times, so I'd recommend you skip that for now. Once you complete that, you will finally be shown your feed. This page is your Twitter homepage and will display all the posts from people you follow, as well as your tweets and your follower count, trending topics and hashtags, and suggest people to follow based on your interests. If you're creating a brand Twitter, now is the time to fill out your bio information. On the left-hand side of the screen, it will ask you to introduce yourself. You'll want to introduce yourself in a brief description of what your brand or business is all about here, and then click Save. On the next page, it will ask you to add your birthday, whether a brand or personal Twitter account. I would personally recommend to skip this part of the biography though. It is not public either way. Then it will ask you where you live. You can choose to add your business or personal location. And if you are a physical store, you may want to be specific as possible. When you finished, it would be a good idea to give your Twitter page a cover photo, which is a wide format banner at the top of the page that faces other users when they visit your page. To view your page, click on your name, which is located under your avatar or logo. Now you will see your page, as well as some stats about your Twitter account, and a big button that says Edit Profile. Click this button and you'll see a top banner of the page changes to Add Header Photo. If you have a brand, you may want to use a banner or a wide format logo image. But if you don't have that, you can search Google for copyright-free or public domain cover photos to use. When you have your cover photo, click the Add Header Photo or the plus sign icon and navigate to your image on your PC. Now you're almost set up. But before we have the Edit Profile page, on the left hand of the side, you'll see a text box that has a slot that you can place your website link info. If you have one, you can also place your YouTube channel, Shopify site, or primary social media page as well in this slot. Finally, if you'd like to change the theme color of your page, click the theme color icon and select the color scheme you like best. Finally, your Twitter account is all set up. Now it's time to start tweeting. To make a tweet, click the home icon on the top left corner. When you're back to the feed page, at the top there is a small picture of your avatar next to the text box. Click inside that text box. and you can type a text message into the box. You can combine text and either an image, GIF, poll, video, or location in your tweet. If you want to add a photo or a video from your PC, click the image icon. Same with each other option. You can also add videos from places like YouTube by placing the link in your tweet box, and it will integrate the video into your tweet. You can also add clickable tags to your tweet by placing hashtag before the word, and then people searching those hashtags can find your tweet easier. When your Twitter looks the way you'd like it, simply click the tweet button, and your tweet will be sent out into the world. Make sure that you catch any typos or other issues with your tweet early, because you can't edit a tweet after it's been posted. You'll have to delete it and make a new tweet from scratch. Twitter is a great way for connecting with customers and friends, or for getting the latest updates from people you follow, and spreading awareness of products and services. Having a brand Twitter account can help you build trust and reputation with your customers, and can keep them up to date with what's going on in your business or life. I hope you enjoyed our little tutorial on how to create a Twitter account. If you did, please like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.